In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Brevo. Whether you're looking to better organize your contacts, target a specific audience, or streamline your CRM processes, understanding how to effectively create a segment in Brevo is a valuable skill. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open a new browser tab and search for Brevo. Once your search results come up, look for the official Brevo website. It should be the very first link on the list, so go ahead and click on it. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to log in. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Brevo homepage. From here, navigate to the CRM section by looking for the CRM tab. Hover over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Contacts, and then click on Segments. This will bring you to a page where you'll see any segments you've previously created, or if you're new to this, it might still be empty. Now let's add a new segment. Look for the plus Create a Segment option and click on it. This will initiate the process of creating a brand new segment. Brevo offers various templates to help steer you in the right direction. These templates are incredibly useful as they are pre-configured to match common scenarios. For instance, if you're looking to re-engage inactive users, or if you want to focus on customers who haven't made a recent purchase, there's likely a template ready for you. Select the template that best aligns with what you're aiming to achieve. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. This is where you tailor the segment to suit your particular requirements. Dive into the criteria settings and make any necessary changes to refine your audience. Perhaps you need to tweak age ranges, regions, or activity levels. This is your chance to ensure the segment perfectly fits your campaign goals. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, go ahead and click Save as Segment. So there you have it. You've successfully created a customized segment in Brevo. This segment will now be available for you to use in your marketing strategies or CRM tasks. Remember, the key to effective segment management is understanding your audience and regularly updating your segments to reflect any changes in your strategy or data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Brevo experience. Make sure to practice creating different segments to get comfortable with the process. Until next time, happy segmenting!